Sorry for that. Okay, I'll find a way to just tie it up somehow. Okay, all right. So we are looking at the building blocks of Power BI. I said the first one is visualization. Others are data sets, reports, dashboards, and tiles. We define visualization as a representation of data in a visual format. It could be a line chart, a bar chart, column-coded map, so on, so forth. Then we have data sets. A data set is a collection of data that Power BI uses to create its visualization. Data set is a collection of data that Power BI uses to create visualization. Everything starts with data, okay? Everything starts with data. The quality of the data available is very important. The accuracy and quality and volume of the data available is of critical importance. Very, very important. Okay. So it all starts with data. What are you visualization? You are visualizing. You are visualizing data. Okay. A data set is a collection of data that Power BI uses to create its visualization. You can have a simple data set that is based on a single table from Microsoft Excel workbook. The data set could be from Excel, or it could be from other sources. Okay, could be from other sources, such as MySQL and all that. Okay, data set can be a combination of different sources. Now, Power BI allows you to work with multiple data sets at a time. Okay, let's say you are doing the normal pivot table in Excel. You can only work with one data set. Okay, but Power BI allows you to work with multiple data sets. Of course, if you are doing a Power Pivot, the one I introduced to you a while ago in Excel, Power Pivot in Excel can also um, can also be used to work on multiple data sets at a time. That's why I said it's similar to Power BI, but it's not as complex. Okay. So we'll be seeing the features as we go on. The third building block, we've seen two now, which are what? Visualization of data set. The third one, a report. In Power BI, a report is a collection of visualizations that appear together on one or more pages. It's a collection of visualizations that appear together on one or more pages. A report in Power BI is a collection of items that are related to each other. We will be working with that with a data set for visualization. Okay. Then dashboard. We try to differentiate between dashboard and reports. A Power BI dashboard is a collection of visuals from a single page on a single page, just like we saw the Excel dashboard earlier. Okay. A Power BI dashboard is a collection of visuals on a single page that you can share with others. Often, it is a selected group of visuals that provide quick insight into data or story you are trying to present. It provides quick insights. So they're usually summaries, okay, that convey very important information that can be used for taking decision quickly. A dashboard must fit on a single page, often called a canvas. The canvas is a blank backdrop in the Power BI desktop or service where you put your visualization. So just like that, your plain Excel screen just now, that's what a canvas looks like. Think of it like canvas that an artist or a painter uses. Okay? A workspace where you create, combine, and rework interesting and compelling visuals. So you can see that's similar to your normal Excel spreadsheet, the one we saw earlier. Okay, so you can share your dashboard with other users or groups who can then interact with your dashboards when they are in the Power BI service or in their mobile devices. Okay, right. So is that all?
So these building blocks,
Mm,
if
mm.
you are looking at it, I think we have 5 items there, the building blocks of Power BI.
What?
The building blocks of Power BI. I
Yes.
think we have 5 items there.
Okay, we have five
Five.
items there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So if you want to arrange them
Mm.
in order, like maybe you get a report, you get a visualization from a report, you get this from this. So how do you arrange them? Like you want to arrange them in order. Can that be done?
Yeah.
Like maybe the database, from the database you get your report. From your report, you do your
No, no,
visualization.
no. These
From
are
your
different.
visualization.
These are different things. Okay.
Okay,
As we move on, you understand that very easily. You
okay,
understand that, each has its own rule.
okay,
Okay. Yes. Each has its own rule. But most of the time, the final products that you get your final results usually exist in the form of reports or dashboards.
okay.
Usually reports or dashboards. So don't bother about it. Those are things you will just get so easily. You know, it's so practical that even if I start explaining it now, it might not.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
It might be abstract, sort of. Okay, so in Power BI, we have the main area where we are going to be working on, where the analyst does his work, is what they call the Power BI desktop. The Power BI service is the online service, okay? Or the Power BI desktop is what you can download, install, and use to do your work, okay? So the Power BI Desktop is a free application for PCs and lets you gather, transform, and visualize your data. In this module, you will learn how to find and collect data from different sources and how to clean and transform the data. Okay? So with Power BI, you can do all this. You can clean your data, you can transform your data, and then you can visualize your data. So your Power BI desktop, this is the explanation of the features that you find on the screen of the Power BI desktop. Okay, it's similar to many other Microsoft products. Okay, so you see the tabs, the various tabs, you see home, tab, view, and all that. Okay, so up here, you have the ribbon, which we are all used to. Even in Excel, the ribbon is there. We all know the ribbon, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So the ribbons are there, and the ribbons have these tabs. If you click any tab, a new ribbon opens up. Okay. So on the ribbon, there are various tools for different things. We have the report view or canvas, the report view or canvas. See on the left here, you see it's saying report view. That's this one. This is the report view. This is the data view. This is it. If you click this, it shows the reports view. Once you click this, it opens up the reports, a canvas, what's called canvas, okay, where you can do your reports or your dashboard. If you click this second tab here or pane here, it shows you the data view. Let's say you want to import data into Power BI. You have to click this and then import, do your import. Okay. If you click this other one, the model view, it will show you an area where you can connect tables and define relationships. Let's say you have multiple tables and these tables are supposed to be connected somehow. Maybe there's a connection, a relationship between them. You can use this area to define and manage such relationships. Okay, so these are the three main areas. These are the three views, main views where you do your work in Power BI. Okay, so we'll see that. So we'll see them practically. We talked about the reports, view, canvas, and the model. Then the pages tab. The pages tab. If you look down here, just like Excel, okay, where you have sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. So on Power BI, if you look down, you see this is the pages tab down here. Here you have the pages. You can have page 1. If you want to add another page, just click this plus sign. It creates a new page. Let's say you are working on a report. You can have multiple pages that forms the complete report. Okay. Even though we are not looking at this practically, I'm sure you can relate with what I'm saying, because many other Microsoft products they share slightly similar characteristics. Then we have the visualization pane. That's where you have, you have your click and drop stuff here. Okay, so these are the different visuals. Just like, let's say you want to create charts in Excel, you click on the chart, go to the chart area, you click, and you choose the type of chart you want. So when you want to do search in Power BI, it's all organized in this visualization pane here. So you can see the different line charts, bar charts, column charts, pie charts, area charts, many stuff here. Okay. So if you want to create visualization, this is where you get the various visualization tools from. These are the visualization tools here, all organized in the visualization tab. Close to that is the fields tab. Okay, when you have already brought in data, maybe from Excel or from a database or something, when you bring in data, import data, the fields of the data are shown here. Okay, that are the names of the columns of the data. They are shown here, so that you can indicate the data that you want to use for your visualization. So how do you get the column, the fields you want to use? You get them from this fields list here. Do you understand? For example, in the visualization we did in Excel, okay, there was one where we talked about the average MPG, something like that. Okay, now in that case, if you were to do that here, You have to come to the fields list here and pick the MPG. That's the field you are concerned with, or the column that you are concerned that you want to work with. That will be MPG, right? Then you take that MPG, and then if you pick a visualization and put it there, then once you select that visualization, then you choose MPG, then to automatically display information about the MPG on that visualization. Am I communicating?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so that's what you do with the field pane. Okay, this is where you query elements and filters can be dragged onto the report view or dragged to the filters area of the visualization pane. The filter areas where maybe you can now do your aggregates and all that. Maybe you want something greater than a certain amount, or you want the top this, stuff like that. Okay, so these are the main areas of Power BI desktop that you work with all the time. Okay, and once you get it, you don't find things difficult here. Okay, so the summary you already have. These are the three key things we are talking about here: the data, the modeling of the data. You don't always have to model data. It's when most of the time is when you are dealing with a number of data sets. Then sometimes there's need to define relationships. You don't always have to do that. And of course, the report itself, which is the visualization itself. So it could be a report, standard report, or it could be a dashboard. Okay. So that is that. This is not all, this is just a general overview, of course. By the time you will begin to do it, from next week, we are going to uh, delve into the various aspects step by step. Okay. So that is that for introduction to Power BI.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank God.
So,
So we'll have a class on Thursday. We'll still work on MySQL.
on Thursday, I will not be available anyway.
Okay. So
So you told us, you tell us how to install this Power BI desktop.
yes. It is straightforward. Just um, download and the installation is very straightforward.
You download first
Can,
before you
can you,
install.
yes, yes. Can you see my screen? Can you see what are you seeing?
Yeah, I'm seeing your desktop.
You just go online. It's free. You download it into your computer and install it. That's all. Okay. So if I say download Power BI, BI desktop. So when you do that, you see it's Microsoft website directly.
Yes.
Make sure that's where you are,
Yeah, that's where I am. Yeah.
and then just download the appropriate version and install it. That's all. So that's
It's telling me, it told me
our
forbidden.
that's our assignment. Say what?
I clicked on it, it told me forbidden.
What did you click on?
I clicked on download Microsoft Power BI desktop from official site.
Okay.